Hey there, let's compare the process for PDF creation in Explorer between Nuance Power PDF and Adobe Acrobat DC. We're starting off here on the desktop in Explorer, and we're just going to click and drag the document you want to convert right onto the Power PDF shortcut. And if it's any one of the many file types that Nuance Power PDF supports, it'll convert to PDF immediately and open up in Power PDF. You can also right-click on documents you want to convert, and then go down to Create PDF from File, and then select whatever option we'd like here. And finally, we can highlight multiple files and then right-click them, and then go down to Combine Files as one PDF. And this will both convert the files to PDF and combine them into a single document, all in one click. Now let's look at this process using Adobe Acrobat DC. We'll try and click and then drag onto the shortcut here, but it doesn't do anything. It doesn't have the same functionality as Nuance Power PDF. We can, however, right-click and then convert to Adobe PDF to convert that document to a PDF. And we can also highlight and combine the files together to convert them and combine them into a PDF as well.